Friday. Hope you guys had a good holiday, a good Thanksgiving, a nice break with your families. Today, I wanted to get in to just a regular portfolio update with you guys, show you what the accounts are doing. And then I wanted to talk about the cash flow strategy that I'm currently subscribed to and that I think is the best return that you can get for the least amount of risk and the least amount of beta. Okay, so today was a down day. I mean, it happens, especially near Christmas time. Um, I'm at 5,100 for my Robinhood account, and for my M1 Finance, I am at 3,200. Real estate has been going down lately for some reason. I'm not sure, but it doesn't really move with the market, and I don't think we have any kind of worry for a recession or anything like that. So this is where the accounts are at currently, and I wanted to go over my my cash flow strategy with you guys. So the strategy is just all about receiving dividends, right? It's just all about how many dividends that I can get each month. Okay, it's not necessarily about how the value of the portfolio does. It's about these dividends here. And as you can see, the 29th was a great day for dividends. Um, and look, okay, I know these numbers look small, but I only have $3,000 in here, I don't have that much money. If you put 30,000, a new car worth in here, you'd be getting paid roughly $100 a month just to put your money in it, instead of the other way around where you pay the dealership 30,000 and then you have to pay $100 a month to them just to pay off the car, if it's $50,000 car or something. So I just really like the strategy. I like getting paid, every month. Buy a lot of stocks. I like getting paid every quarter. This is the cash flow strategy. So it doesn't necessarily have anything to do with this amount right here or, this amount right here, the market gains. I'm more worried about these earned dividends right here, okay? And this is a great sign to see. I'll go ahead and show you my my tracking here. So I just got my November statement, my November of 2019 here, and you can see my growth here. It's the value of my portfolio, I've doubled it. The dividends have more than doubled. And I just want this trajectory to keep going. Not necessarily this steep, of course. I'm being quite aggressive here. I really don't think that the stock market is gonna, crash or anything. And if it does, well, I'll just be putting more money in. So that's my M1 finance setup. And this is just there's no forecasted values because I don't have enough historical data here. But my Robinhood is another story. I have forecasted data, and if you want to learn how to forecast this, just check out my forecasting video. I'll have it linked in the description below. And so I have my intercepts, my coefficients here, and that gives you this forecast line. And this blue line is my actual data here. So what I'm worried about here is that it just follows this line. Next year, I want to have at least $20 in dividends a month from Robinhood, right? And I want my portfolio value to be $10,000. That would be great. So that's currently what my goals are: $20 a month and $10,000 for my Robinhood portfolio in a year from now. And you can see the progression here. I've been receiving more and more dividends every month. And so you can see kind of where this strategy, so my Robinhood strategy, if you don't know about it, I buy and sell stocks, but I keep roughly half in dividend paying ETFs, monthly dividend paying ETFs that follow the market. And the other half, I buy and sell stocks when I think that they'll go up or down. Okay. My M1, on the other hand, I am simply just holding for the long term. I don't plan on selling anything in it. And that's just the strategy for my M1. I just buy and hold in perpetuity. So you can see some of the downsides of the Robinhood. Since you're buying and selling with $5,000, I'm only making $10 in dividends, because only about half of those are mint to generate those cash flows. The other half of this amount is meant to generate some capital gains, and based on the just my feeling on if the stock's gonna go up or down, and some statistical analysis that I do with Seeking Alpha. But I've showed you that, guys. Uh, I've shown you that a lot, and I'll continue to show you it so you can get better and better at it. But you can see, so the percentage here is not even close. So I have only 3,000 in this one, and I made $7 in dividends. And if you looked back at my overall value here, I'm at $20 already total. And just this month, let's check it out. Just this month, I'm up $10. So as you can see, I've already made $3 in dividends that I haven't got yet. I got $7. So that's my cash flow strategy, and I'll be sure to update you guys on the Robinhood account statement. It hasn't come out yet for November. I'm very excited to see exactly how much I earned, and I will update these graphs accordingly. I'm really hoping that it's definitely above, around $6. I don't want to really go below this line anymore. I'm trying to really stay above this forecasted value. If I have to, I'll go ahead and rerun the regression that I did, and I will create a new goal with the current data that I have. Currently, I ran the regression here in September, so October is not included in the forecast, and neither will November. And I'm just curious to see on if my actual data follows my forecasted data. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for checking in on this video. I will update you guys with the Robinhood value soon, and I'll catch you later. Have a good one.